Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basic Tutorials 20. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image using PicsArt. So let's go to PicsArt, hit the plus button at the bottom. Now select the image from which you want to remove the background. In my case, I'm going to select this image. Now hit the cutout option at the bottom right corner. Now there is a cool feature in PicsArt which I really like is if you hit the human button at the bottom, what it will do, it will automatically select the parts that you want to keep in the image. Now as you can see, eraser is already selected. What you want to do is increase the size or decrease it as you like, and the hardness also. So I'm going to keep the hardness at high level and erase the parts that you don't want to keep in the image. And for selecting the parts that you want to keep, just use the selection tool in the same way. So it's going to take some time, so I'm just going to speed up the video until I'm done.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Now as you can see, I have finished the selection part. Now what I'm going to do is hit the I button so that I can see if there anything is left. If there is anything left, just use the eraser to erase it, and we are done. Now I'm going to save the image. Save it in my gallery. Now I'm going to select an image where I want to put the girl. Let's find the image where let me find the image. Here is the image. Now just tap on add photo and select our image that we just edited. I'm just gonna drag and drop it here, and I want to resize the image a little bit. Remember, whenever you're resizing the image, always do it with the bottom right corner of the image. If you try to stretch the image, it will ruin your shape of the image. Alright, so that's it guys, our image is ready almost. I have put the thumbnail a little bit different. In the thumbnail it's like I put the image here and didn't make it any bigger, but I'm going to make it a bigger here a little bit. Let me know which one is the better, which one is better in the comments below. So that's it guys, our image is ready. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything I upload. Thanks for watching guys, thank you very much. See you next time.